Here are very helpful time savers. I have several dinners, 7 of them total, that I completed on Saturday. So when I finish work and I'm tired to cook, everything is ready. I just throw it on the pan and heat it up. And for the salads, we have turkey and chicken already measured, 100 grams each. They're already cooked, already seasoned, so it's super easy. I can throw it in the microwave and then put it on top of my salad. The onions are all chopped up and frozen, and I even boiled enough eggs to put on the salad or to eat as snacks. All ready to go, and I labeled it so I don't mistake them and crack them on a pan and then see that it's a hard-boiled egg and not a regular egg. And I've got the nuts here too, all purchased and ready to go. The almonds and the pumpkin seeds will go on the salads, and the walnuts will be for snacks. So everything is ready. So to make things simple and easy throughout the week.